Hi guys, Lori here from BrushFalls Studios. Welcome to my basement. Today I'm doing a three-piece triptych, and I have already painted on these and varnished. They are 12 by 24, and these have not sold for me. I've had them on the market several years in different platforms, and they're moving on. We're moving to different colors. So get them out of here. As you know, if things look different and you haven't seen the last video, we are now in our basement. And guess who did it all? This guy right here. My husband explained in my last video that he had an injury and had several surgeries and broken bones, and et cetera, et cetera. But he is recovering and he's doing good. Thank you. He's not. He says no. He's not doing. He's doing fine. Don't worry. We have come a long way in the last 4 months, and I'm so glad you've stayed with me. So let me explain to you what colors we're going to do and how we're going to do this today. So if you want to come down with me, I'll show you the paintings and the colors we're going to do. We're going to do a medium brown base coat. We're going to use a Deco Arts Metallic in 24 karat gold. I'm at the bottom of the barrel with this bottle, Deco Art Metallic in ice blue. I've mixed this too. This is also at the bottom of the barrel. I gotta throw these containers out, but this is Deco Arts Berry Rouge, it's called. And I mixed this a little bit with the Artist Loft Level 2 in Permanent Magenta. Next up, I have Apple Barrel's Flamenco. Flamenco. It's Italian. And last but not least, this is a basic royal blue with a little black. I dulled it down to make it into a gray. We're going to see how this turns out. First things first is I'm going to get my base coat down. Don't worry about that. So sometimes with this color combination, they mix into different other colors. And I think they separated by the way I layered it. I didn't, there was one time I added blue and red together, and they did not in this situation. It doesn't happen very often, but they didn't mix. And the contrast in this is so stunning. And I wanted a neutral base, which I usually use black, and I don't been having a lot of people complaining I use too much black. I prefer, well, they don't complain. I shouldn't say that. They say they'd prefer a different color underneath. So I've been trying other colors, and it's all about experimenting with your paint colors. And whoever paints at home and tries this out, it's all about trial and error. So what I did was I just put two colors on top of each other and blew it out till the base coat pulled up a little bit, and that's how you can see all these lacings. This is like just like your house. Your house will never be done, neither will your paintings. And if you can look at each one individually, you see these gold lacings popping out. I mean, I wanted that strong in there, but it is so pretty how that happened here as well. And then this is a masterpiece. the When you stretch your canvases, the lacing in here is so pretty. So in a couple days, I'll put these 3 beautiful contrasted paintings on my YouTube channel in the community page, so y'all can see it dried. And what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. I would love to hear from you, and I love your support as usual. Your comments, your being here, you're watching me. Love you. Bye. This